I accidentally boiled my coffee in the microwave. That can't be good for the flavor. Good thing I'm only here for the caffeine. I'm always a little bit chilly. Ugh. I turned down the music. Yes, I did. Ugh. The back of my neck is cold unless I put the hood up. Ugh. Okay, so I am using library. What is that? Whoa. Okay. I believe this is the only place where it's a dependency. Before I start, what if I just update the all? Wow, this is what we're gonna try and update here. 29 WGP 29 is available. What? What? How do I do this? WGPU. Secret Garden. Get current texture. Current surface texture. All possible outcomes as variants. Surface area has been removed. Suboptimal has been replaced by a suboptimal variant. That's the juicer. Holy moly. That's strange. Bind group layouts optional. What? Gaps. Huh. Huh. Hmm. Indeed. Damn. That's crazy, bro. Top level acceleration structure. Binding array support. Wow. We got some pictures of this. Limits or worse values from. Well, um, let me look at some stuff here. WGSL variable size array. Is there some way to do this? Runtime sized arrays. Insane. What up? Struct array. Var storage. The whole storage buffer is a runtime size array. Hey, array length. How do you make it? Bubber binding. What is a bubber? Okay, maybe I don't know. I don't know. It's All right, this doesn't matter. I would like to have runtime configurable limits. Because right now, the shader has a hard-coded number right here. Array ding dong. Uniform. Well, is that only available with a storage buffer? Only be used with storage buffer resources. Oh. That's literally texture atlas. Am I stupid? Um WGSL compile shader with. Am I really gonna need to do string replacement here? Okay, where does it do the shader? setup. Create shader, graphics, new. Looks like this is gonna get reverted here. Borrow cow. Is this good or is it just label? Yeah, okay. So we have this string. Where does the limits live? So I'm using this function. Find all references. There's 2 spots. This is a compile time constant. Am I dividing by this number? Yes. But it's not, it doesn't matter. So we need it in 2 spots. Three spots. I can do this. Okay. Adapter, request device, limits. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. That's hot. Yeah, boy, it tastes bad. It was yeah, mistake. All right. I sneeze. Who do phones have GPU storage buffers? Who knows? Okay. Uh. Okay. Gram fix ain't no way. So this is who did this? Who did this? Okay. So I believe Mimi graphic state self. The graphic state should have the limits potentially. How big is the limits? 208. I only need one thing off of it, so I guess I'll just not. All right, we. This thing. Okay. So let's see. There's the shader and the. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Graphic state. Limits. Is U32. I actually don't know that. Limits. Who knows? Limits. U32. Yeah, it's a U32. Okay. Uh. Mm. Okay. Self dot zoom. Eh. Okay, so it's immediately asking about that. I thought it would like highlight the whole thing. Okay. Mm. Uh. Mm. 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 Uh. Mm. Uh. Ah. Okay, so actually this value is the value. And we can actually do self dot chunk size. Uh. Mm. Uh. Uh. Mm. Instances uniform length. That's what it is. You good? Yeah. Okay. And then this one, add it right here. Limits. Uh. Uh. Model that one. Uh. Mm. Mm. Uh. So. Ah, did I miss it? I think I missed it. There it is. New. So we gotta say limits here. Um. Uh. It would be nice to use the same limits, and I guess you could like shove it onto here. I don't know what happened. Okay. So then this thing. Ugh. So what's the best way to replace the string? Let zing zong equals uh mm uh um Uh, um, line one. Actually, you know what I could do? Holy. I could just, instead of like find and replace, I could just prepend. Uh-huh. Okay. Great. Um, mm, do, do, do. Uh, okay. XD lol. Okay. Uh, okay, so no, we need to do format. Format. Mm. Um. Model. 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 Yep. And then that breaks strafe client. Wow. Strafe client. Haha. Limits. Yeah. Graphics new. Yeah. Hmm. Um. Okay. App is created after request device. Okay. Okay. Where do I put this? Do, 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 do. Still thinking of that first song. Window worker. Uh, that's right here. Okay, so I could actually just pass it in there. And I will. I say, const limits wgpu limits equals wgpu limits defaults semicolon, and then we zoink it right here, and then we zoink it right here, Zoink, zoink. Limits. wgpu. Limits. Limits. Great. And now it works. Strafe, strafe, strafe. Build. Okay. So we're dynamically creating the shader. Wow! Look at that. Okay, so now Strafe Client can have different limits than, and I can even dynamically craft the limits for WGSL. I wonder if this was like why it was like misbehaving, because it is not misbehaving right now. Whee! Ah. Oh man, I thought I'd make that. Okay, so I have this theory that like Firefox and the NVIDIA driver work together to have bugs that make the Strafe client lag. It's everybody else's fault. It's not my fault. Okay, so that is fantastic. So this is graphics dynamic wgpu limits. Yes. Okay, this is, wait, why does it look like, okay, this is better than what I was thinking of doing, is like finding a string in the shader and replacing it. No, just prepend the shader. That's like, okay. Indeed. So now we have dynamic limits. Indeed. So now, why don't I try updating WGPU? Wait, WGPU isn't a workspace dependency? What the hell? Okay, and then Mimi, you. Okay. I should be the only one. The only spots. It should be. Let's go 29. Boom, baby. And it breaks in here and here, I bet. Oh, interesting. Okay, so now we get this neato burrito here, which I saw in the update notes. Fill match arms. So success, go. Suboptimal or outdated, reconfigure. Um, uh, are you allowed to? Huh? Is that loud? I don't know. Outdated. Uh-oh. Oh. So, uh, let. I guess we can match. Mm-mm-mm. A 10 unstaged files. Boy. Uh, failed to ding the dong. Indeed, indeed, yo. Okay, so then, occluded, outdated, skip. Oh. Oh, timeout. Timeout or occluded. Um. Uh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. So I need to. Do I do error for error? No. All right. It's not that hard to just write it out. I'll just yoink this and then we'll go for it. Pub enum frame error. Skip. Device lost. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So then we have derive debug, display, and impl error. Frame error. Error. Okay. Um, uh, return error. Error. Frame error. Lost something, something, something. Hello. So, what do they got? They got timeout occluded. Timeout occluded. Okay. Okay. Um, skip, and then um. Result frame error. Um, suboptimal reconfigure surface. The underlying surface has changed. Uh, properties call gbg again. Mm. Okay. New API. Right. So, indeed, indeed, indeed. Indeed, indeed. Option compare function. Option bool. Okay. If format is a depth or depth stencil format, then this must be sum, otherwise specifying none is preferred. Depth, huh? If format is a depth or depth stencil format, must be sum. Okay. Okay. Right. God, it's just make the invalid states unrepresentable. Okay, so then now this is busted. Okay, so frame can gabagoo here. What if we I got no idea. Okay. Skip. Yeah. Okay. Else return. XD. Let's do a match. Yeah. Uh. Not quite. Oh, true. Okay, we go again. Build it up, build it up, build it up, build it up. So what are we looking at in the lock file here? We've got some goobs going on, block and block 2, obj C. Right, right. What even is this? Core data. Core data. Oh, is this goddamn like Apple? Yeah. Okay. It's goddamn Apple. Okay. We run that. Oh, wgpu 29. No performance boosts. Unlucky. Okay. Question. Can I resize the window? And it gets the same performance. Unlucky. Okay. Well, that's working. Ooh. Damn. I mean, it seems to work like well enough. I don't really know what happens if it hits the error creating new frame. I'm actually gonna panic here so that it's like obvious that some crazy stuff happened. And then if it happens, I can deal with it. If it doesn't happen, okay. Graphics update to wgpu. It's everything. wgpu 29. Okay. Oh yeah, common bnum. Okay, what if I smash the stuff here? Actually, let me cd. Cool. All right. Does this go smaller? Update depths. Yay. Okay, it does go smaller. I want Secret Garden. Open SSL. Why? Oh, that's got to be the downloader. Okay, I see. Love to see stuff like this. Dependencies down. Ooh, 15.1. VBSP. Get out of here. Okay, it's just goobing. Okay. I have to also update this. Yeah, okay. I think I go like this. I'm gonna need 29 up in here, and it'll break. Yay. Okay, so graphic state new. Oof. Okay. Ha 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 ha. So where's that feature? Oh. Hmm. I guess I just smash it in limits. And we say wgpu. Yeah, that's right. How did you know? And then that breaks everything. Oh, bubby. That's stupid. I'm dumb. Does that tell you or does it not tell you? Well, it's going to be one of two things. Whatever. We don't recover from that. Do, 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 do. R. Okay. Close others. Um, what did I say? Error something new frame. Shh. This guy. Okay. Ignore errors. Setup. Mm-hmm. Er, 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 her, her. Huh. Huh. Did I just smash it right there? I think I did. What are you doing? Set up bow right there. Do 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 do. Indeed. Indeed. Everybody's happy. Video encoder encode. Uh-oh. Ah. Ah. No. Bro. Yesterday. Make transcoder optional. Do they have a pull request open for wgpu 29? They might be working on it. Optional equals true. Um, okay, so now I can do... Oof. Uh, what is that? No way, bro. CFG feature. All right, so now we can use normal limits. Where did this from env or default function go to? Instance characters Saba have been removed. Are new static methods that force recognition of whether a display handle is used. Why? No way. Okay, it wants the goob itself. Okay. Then we need this crap again. And that's good for the module. Mm. Is this everything? Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. Frame. Yeah. Okay, that's as good as I can do for that. Okay, let's build it and run it. Roblox bot player, was module, wasm pack, web demo, Python, web server, native player, cargo, run, that one. This should work, no problem. All right, open it up, check it out. Let's go, baby. Got that new wgpu in it. Nice. Okay, stuff is working. I don't really get why it's a different color, but whatever. What's the... Is the display thing okay with this? Isn't it supposed to not be okay with this? Usually it dies if I full screen anything. Okay, well, I mean, it works, so let's do it. Right, I was also gonna try to update the other stuff. Oh. Uh. Hmm. Uh. Incremental updates. Let's go with incremental updates. Okay. So I go publish changes now. Yep, we all good. So what's changed here? Graphics. Cool. So just graphics. Yeah. 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 Okay. Graphics, graphics, graphics. Indeed. Uh, graphics. We 0.0.8. Dynamic limits. wgpu 29. Yeah. Okay. Graphics. Publish. Go. Bot player. Go number 8. Okay. Good. All right. What about the old dependencies? I just don't get that. VK video. There's no way they already did it, right? What? I mean, it'd be easy for me to do it. Maybe I should just do it. Stupid. Oh, wait. It's all the rest of their stuff. Just using. Why do they have a workspace? What the hell? Jeez. Well, here we go. I'll let that figure itself out. Been a while since the last time I was working in the stream. Are you? I totally botched reading that, but I'm working on a bot web player, and it's well and good out. Boom. Okay, this is maybe not the best map to see this on. It's supposed to have a bunch of terrain, which is not supported. And of course, there's no transparent textures. And I'm compiling things. Oh my god, and it's lagging the stream. Fantastic. But yeah, it's a web player for the bots. I'm going to heat this up for a second. Oof. This is cool. It is very cool. The website's public. You should go look at it because you don't have to compile anything on your computer while it's running. Ah, that's not too bad, eh? Device from raw. Limits. New. Required extensions. Buh. And that's it, eh? Limits is after features. Oh, hey. Easy clap. Expected a reference. Easy clap. And that's it. And we know this. I'm currently updating someone else's library for fun, basically. Already am? Nice. That was easy. Uh-oh. Oh, not done. Current texture. Surface error is not real. This current surface texture. Let current surface texture optimal success. That's what it is. wgpu. Else return error. Oh, we can't do this. Unlucky. That's okay. Let surface equals to match. Surface. Anything else? Other status. Other return other. Bam. Oh no. Or wait, did they want that? The get the schmelta. Alrighty, ready. Branches, create branch, wgpu 29. Why don't I make it a little bit nicer here? wgpu dash 29. Indeed, indeed. Do they like, okay, it's like VK video update wgpu to 29. And it works, right? CD VK video cargo test release. Surely. I need to make a fork. Fork! Fork it! Yeah! Do it. I should also test it with my thingy. Okay, so we go back here. Hello, hello, hello. Cargo VK video path equals dot 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 get. All right, whatever. We'll just home quad. Are you alive? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Get smelter VK video. Yeah. For real, for real. And then it all works. Definitely. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Zero arguments. Vulkan device descriptor. Okay, buddy. Is that a reference? That's goofy. Okay. Let Vulkan device descriptor is equal to VK video. Huh? Who? What? Vulkan device descriptor, VK video device. Okay, buddy. Like, device. Vulkan device. Is that allowed? Is that real? Okay. 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 Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Alright, I'm just gonna. There we go. Okay, what do you want? Oh my god, bruh. You want a freaking descriptor? I'll give you a freaking descriptor. Parameters? Okay. You good? Expected dingus found dongus. Adapter descriptor. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. All right. How does the adapter descriptor work? Adapter descriptor. Okay. Code actions. Fill struct fields. Blah, blah, blah. Decoding. Don't care. This is Boolean. Neato. Encoding. True. Compatible surface. We do not care. Bow, bow. Okay, all good in the hood. And it workings. Video encoder, cargo run. No. Cargo run, release, encode. And it runs with no errors. My camera's delayed. Oh, did the tests work? They did. Nice. All right, does my thing work? Okay, we're good to go. Let's submit le patch. Remotes, add remote. Yeah. Push it to the limit. All right, new pool request. Update wgpu. Do it. Woo! Okay. Oh my god. Conflicts that must be resolved. Wait, it is. This is hot. Coming in hot. Check out. Oh, I didn't rebase. No. So I see. 29. Continue rebase. Let's run it again. And my fault. Okay, what about this guy? Okay, I've messed up. I based it on an old version. But I can fix it. Okay. And then fix it. Okay, and then run the tests here and run this here. Okay, that works. And we can pull up the GPU monitor and watch it encode right here. It's going to show up. There it went. Okay. Okay. There we go. Whoops. Okay. Forgot to pull my local branch. Okay, so now that can do that. Core Foundation. Oh, I love Core Foundation. What's this? Man, this deletes a lot of stuff. I love Core Foundation. So, yeah. I'm gonna put this in the branch VK video. WGPU 29. Boom. But I don't know. It's like the stuff. Something like that. Oh, it's a video file. No way. We can play the video file. Yes, it works. Very nice. I am glad that the video file is created properly, because that means my pull request works. Okay. So I'm gonna stash on here, and then this is good. This is good. Good. Okay, so that is WGPU updated. Do I want to work on bnum? I've only been going for an hour. I've got lots of time. That would be a complete shifting of the gears. Okay. It would mean that I would need to like update the common libraries and stuff. Why don't I get started? I may not even finish today. Let's just go for it. So bnum is only in one spout. It's not here. Yeah, it's not here. It's only here. Okay, bnum 14.2. And break everything. All right, so now ain't no such thing as that. So then this is int, I do believe. S. Okay. Int. The bit width of the integer. Bit. Many bytes. How many bytes? Bnum digit width. N. So n was digits, where digits is a 64-bit number, but now the digits are 8 wide. N. Oh. This is crazy. B. Wow. Oh, you know what I would like is if I could say 64 here and 32 here. So if I do n divide by 8, is that allowed? Is that allowed? N. Ah. 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 B. Hey. S. 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 Where's S? Um. What happened? Where's the bnum? Okay, releases. Fixes compile error. Fixes compile error. Okay. I'm not seeing a S here. EXPR. True? 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 Okay. OM, the behavior of the overflow mode. Okay. Uh, right, and you can't use an enum in constants, so it has to be a thingy. Overflow wrap. Panic saturate. Panic on overflow. Interesting. Flag. IZ. So can I just go? It's time to software all over the place. Right, you know it. Constant n is not of type U8. Okay, we want integer. Wait, do we want integer? Oh, okay. So this one is like true. Okay. Ah, oh, okay. True. N. How did the dude do it? What the hell? Uh, mm, uh, mm. N. Byte. 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 Okay. Ooh. B equals 0. Equals um. That's the overflow mode is pretty cool. I love compile time stuff. Is it gonna have like if b everywhere equals 0? B. So N, yeah. N, is that allowed? Int N. Okay. Right. Okay. Uh, we deleted the constants. I, they, it. Easily constructed with the N macro. N. Uh huh. Okay. Okay. Two. I freaking made two. Uh huh. This. Uh huh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay. Uh. Okay. We got that FBU int. Uh. Mm. Uh. Mm. 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 You int with a lowercase I. Yeah. Okay. $128. We can't do 128. No. I-16. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Um, how about into? No. uh, ba 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 ba. Uh, Mm. One. One. Uh, uh, this is actually 8. Okay. Uh. Uh. Oh. 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 Value 2. Okay. Uh. Uh. Dig it. Oh. One. Oh, God. Sign bit. Oh my god, bro. Abs. Can't I just do unsigned abs like this? Dot abs. Unsigned abs. Uh. Mm. Uh. Mm. U8N. From bits. Golly. This is going to be a big job. Big, tedious job. Interestingly, this also means I can make unsigned fixed point numbers. which is cool. Rar. uh yeah. 264 is actually 1664 now. Rust is just so sorely lacking const generics. Indeed. Indeed. How do you do this? I need to set each one. It's the low digits. For loop. I don't know. Jesus. Yeah. Jeez. What are we trolling here? 2 knee bites into iter non-const method. Oh. Oh. You're not allowed to use a for loop. Frick. Okay. Unsigned abs. Doesn't that break when it's the minimum value? Because it'll. I swear to God, this is wrong. Like, aren't we on some two's complement business? I think this is a fundamental misunderstanding right here. And everywhere that I use this function, it's wrong. Okay, well, that's positive. That's positive. That's positive. That's positive. uh, yeah, okay. Really, this is just from U64. Like, I just wanted a const. So from, let's just do from U64 and call it a day. No sign bit. Suck my ass. I don't know why I said that. Don't suck my ass. Okay. Good enough. Actually, I'm dumb. Couldn't I just do int digits? Why do I need to scoobert this twice? That seems dumb. Yo, yeah, no, that was very wrong. Indeed. Crap. Crap. Can I control shift T? No. I need it back. Raw digit. Find all references. Okay. Bomb. From U64. 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 There you go, bud. Oh, U64. There you go, bud. Okay. No. Yes, there we go. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, like you can like just make the number 0. Int self 0, and then G, and then you do like digits dot mut dot digits help bytes mut equals, and then that's like a line shorter. Const. I love const. Okay. Well, that was a lot of time spent on that method, but it was wrong, which is interesting. Fortunately, I wasn't using it wrong. From. Yeah. The trait bound from is not satisfied. From digit. Use the as trait. Really? um, from Earth. Huh? Really? B try from. Okay, there it is. Change from primitive int to try from primitive int. Use the as trait for infallible conversions. Okay, so we want as. This is as. Ah. Ah. Okay. Why don't okay, let's give it a shot. Give it a shot. Dot underscore as turbofish is it's as, right? Underscore. It's as underscore. Okay. Underscore, underscore, underscore. Okay. Okay, next red underline. Okay, so bits is actually bit width. What is that? Digits. Digits. Is that me? Unsigned abs digits. Okay, so that's. Oh, okay. Okay, so I need to change from 64-bit digits, 8-byte digits, to 1-byte digits. Uh, two. So this is like 2 bytes, and then it. Oh, signed shift. Hi. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. It's too small. Six log 264. What is digit shift? Log 264. Okay, digit index, digit shift, log 264. So if this is log to 8, that's like -1, -1, -1. So that's 3. I could have just done it forwards instead. I'm dummy. Okay. Maybe. I don't know. Why would it do. Why? A digit index most significant bit is bit width. Okay. Okay. What I don't get is. Oh, wait. Oh, is this going to work? Digit index MSB. MSB bit width unsigned. Impl into float unsigned. Uh-huh. So this is related. Oh. Yeah, okay, so what is this doing? Yeah, no, this is converting the fixed point number of arbitrary bit width into a floating point number. Into? Really? Don't we want to, like, have it be fallible? Oh, no, it's, like, almost not fallible. Right. Right, we're making a little tiny number out of our big fat number. What are we coding? So there's a update. There's a library I'm using called bnum that has stack allocated fixed width integers, and they changed from using an array of unsigned 64-bit integers to represent the data to an array of bytes. And I have a lot of code that's using it, so it's sucky to update. And I'm trying to, like, work through digit shift 64. Why 64? 64 digits. This is a macro. I rest of mantissa. How many bits does the mantissa take from this digit? This digit. Unsigned shift. Okay, so actually this might actually work. Signed shift. I thought, oh, it's gonna freaking die, but signed shift rest of mantissa bits, like, digit index. Yeah. Shift. See, shift is 8. So this is like floor 8. So this value should stay between 0 and 8. 0 to 7. And so you'll never, so this actually, I think I'm done. I think this works. Cool. All right, on to the next. Signed shifter. Expected found Okay, digit shift. We know that's supposed to be 3. I should write that down. Log 8. Actually, I have a freaking constant here called bnum digit width. Why don't I say that instead of just 8? 8. H. Okay. Yeah. Isn't that nice? Okay. There's going to be so many bugs. The game is just going to blow up. Okay, who did this? What is going on? How did this happen? Huh? E? Huh? 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 Digit. Hello, digit. Digits. 8. Uh, e, mm, uh, mm, uh, mm, mm, oh, oh, ah, mm. Oh, okay. That sucks. That sucks. Okay, I actually understood this correctly. The like two's complement signed integer thing. I actually had it written wrong in my little raw digit function. It would have broken if I had used it for negative numbers because I had just set the sign bit and did an absolute value. Like a dummy. Who does that? So dumb. So now I just like use a U64 because it's not used that often. Oh my, yeah. Oh, dude. Are you Surfer, bhop yourself, or just made some games for it? Uh, bhop. Yeah, I actually got a decent time. 5-man. I recently got a decent time. No, it's third. No, I got third place now. I have to make it half the screen, otherwise the stream lags. Why is it stuttering? Hold on. Is this... Am I running NV Top? Yes, I am. Okay, this makes it stutter, and it shouldn't. It's probably an NVIDIA driver bug. It's almost certainly an NVIDIA driver bug. Let's go, let's go. Go fast. Yes! Music sync with the footage? You mean like the jumping tempo? Zooming, yes, sir. I grinded for 3 days to get this time. If I grinded for another week or two, I might be able to get the world record. And that is a little bit interesting, but damn, that would be hard. It would be cool though. I've never really held a meaningful world record in this game. In this game, in my game. Yeah, awesome map, good time. Let's go. Nobody reviewed my pull requests in the last 20 minutes. Okay. So what is this doing? So this is like, I have a floating point number and I want to make a big old fixed point number. I need this mega bad. Okay, I came up with a new method to do it. So, oh, no, wait. No, wait. Dummy? It's dummy stupid. Hold up, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Decode. This is a... Oh, wait. Integer decode F32. It does give you U64. Ugh. FFI16. How many? There's not many. Who? 8. The float 32 has exactly 8 bits. Okay, so I'm like using the. Okay, I see. I'm okay. Okay, that's okay. Okay, I understand. Okay, so this function, no, macro, well, function macro, this conversion right here is using the fact that the digit width for the fixed point numbers happened to be the same as the decode function mantissa width, which is 64. Ooh. But that not happening anymore. So I need to like right. So it's splitting it in two. More, but probably what it should be doing is there's actually room in the 64-bit number because we are only using 53 bits and we have 64 bits and the alignment is 8 bits. So let's see, what is that? 53 plus 8, 61. So we have 3 spare bits. So we can jiggle the bits inside of that number, get them to line up with the digit alignment for the fixed point number, and then write in the digits. So I'm shifting. Yeah. Okay. So this is a shift technique. But the me what? Huh? Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. Okay, so this is it's wrong. Damn. Damn. Need a digit loop here. It's complicated. All right, let me do some of this simpler stuff first. What you doing? Div Euclid from other fixed I64. Really? Hmm. Yeah. Right. They're doing as. Yeah, actually, maybe it'll work. Dot as underscore boom. Boom. We're chilling. It's so chill. Okay. As underscore my favorite. Whoa. So this is bit width. I like that better, honestly. As bits mut set bit. Yeah. Ooh, eat. Haha, way. No method named bit width. Isn't it? Huh? 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 Oh. Uh, oh. Uh, okay. Bits. Uh, remove the bits method. And rename bits method on unsigned integers. Okay. Mm. Wait. Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. Okay, yeah. So no method for signed, but it does exist for unsigned. Now we're in the square root function. Um, n. Let's go n. Yeah, n. Woo. Times 32. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Okay, so how do I do this? So this is bits. I mean, I don't know if this works. Unsigned abs? Would that make any sense? Unsigned abs? I think I need it to be signed. Impl as self. No. N. But how does the sign bit affect that? Bit width. It's not unsigned abs. Oh, it's square root. Oh, we're chilling then. Okay. It's already checked to be greater than 0. Okay. Okay, so we can actually use unsigned abs because it's positive number and it's okay. Yay. 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 Voila. Okay. Uh now this rar. 1 8. Indeed, sir. Wait. Oh, I'm dummy. I should totally. Oh, wow. Okay. So 1 is 8, 2 is 16, 4 is 32, 8 is 64. I should have been using this harder everywhere. Let's F it. 132. Interesting. So basically, I should be using these types everywhere. Fixed wide types lib indeed. Okay. Okay, so we start here. Okay. Fixed. Oh. Who do surely I must I must re-export it. Okay, so use common integer. Why don't we smack this right here as well? And then oh no, that's correct. And then F. Yeah. So then use common integer. I don't re-export it. Oh, it's star. Okay. Well then that's types. Friggity frack. Uh-oh. Pub use. Fixed star. Oh, it's my little wrapper library is so rough. Jeez. Indeed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Great. Whatever. Okay. And then this guy. Oh no. Indeed. Yes. So this is Riri, and then this is. Ooh. Yeah. Now we're talking. Yeah. The big one? Is that the big one? I can't remember. It says 128. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We got him. Okay. Next. Right here. All right. Similar, and then push solve fixed broken. Oof. Yep. Okay. Oh my god, bro. So this is I64 F64. And then this is I32 F32. Indeed. May I take your hat, sir? But it doesn't have that for some reason. 32, 64, semicolon, bless your heart. Okay. So now we like it. We like it. It's good. We like it. It's good. Okay, next. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, now we find 2 comma 64. Color. Uh, mm, uh, mm. Indeed, sir. Indeed, 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 sir. So, indeed, sir. 64. Indeed, sir. So then, we were so close. This guy. What is up? Boom. 64, 64. And then 128, 128. Is this one. Boom. Gotcha. Okay, and everybody is so happy. Okay. Okay. Ha. I don't remember what it said. It said this one. That's right. That's right. I have so much math. What is that? Okay, so this. Yep. Good. And then there's another one. Oh, actually, I need to create a new constant called something else. 96, 24. Where were we? Help. What happened to this one? Oh, this is a different one. Yeah, 396. That's what I like to see. Did I copy it? 96, 96. Vigo. What do you want? Yeah. It's totally wrong. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. 96. Yeah. And then more. 128. Oh. 128. That's right. That's right. That's right. There it is. Yoink. That's the only one. Okay, what's going on here? What's this called? Minimum difference. The epsilon is 396. Oh, this is trolling me. Okay, it's trolling me. Yeah, no, this is a troll. Yeah, oh no, this is a troll. Okay. Because normal is 64, 64, and point is 832. 32 plus 64 is 96, but this is saying it's 8. It's just wrong. It's just a troll. Okay. So who else? You next. Go next. Yes. Indeed. Oh boy. Fixed 2. R. Well, looks like we're going to need another one as well. Fixed 3. And another one. I-96, F-96. And then this one. I-128, F-128. Indeed, indeed, indeed. I-96, I-128. Uh-oh. Okay, that's got to be a troll. Okay, it's a troll. Right. Actually, that's probably because I haven't redone the numbers in the thing. So, yeah, right here. Way. Oh, no. Oh, no. Actually, you know what? It's okay. I got this. Oh, I need all this because there's no const generics in Rust. I love not being able to use const generics! I can't do 3 plus 5. You can't do 3 plus 5 in Rust. Oh my god, bro. So you have to use a macro. Okay, so LHS, indeed. Help. Is this self? No, that's RHS. Help. Okay, so then this is times dig it. Oh. Let's see. Const bnum old digit width. 13 compat or something is a freaking U size with a correct spelling. And it is 64/8. So how many bnum 14 digits are there per bnum 13 digit? Neat o burrito. Neat o burrito. R. Okay, so we gotta like width, indeed width. Oh, I just realized this actually opens up 32-bit. No. I'm gonna change the macro. Same size, constant, non-generic. Eh, 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 uh, 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 eh, it, macro hell. Okay, so what happened? So I wrote a macro that generates all of the multiplication tables that I need for different bit widths. So if you multiply a 8-bit number by an 8-bit number, you get a 16-bit number. If you multiply a 16-bit number by an 8-bit number, you get a 24-bit number. Simple, makes sense, right? So you just need to add the number of digits together. If Rust had const generics, that would be so easy, and I could just write it, and it would be done. I would just do A plus B. But Rust doesn't have const generics. So I have to make a macro thing that implements it for specific bit widths. And you can only multiply specific bit widths. Mm. I don't even know if half of this is right. It seems to work. Do I change the numbers here? Because I could extend it backwards if so. And I could have like 32 bits. 4-byte number. Which would be great. That'd be so great. Is it 8 times 8 is 64? 8 bytes of 8 bits each, yes. R. So I could just like... okay, actually this will work. If I go... like this. And then I go... times 8. Oh, it ruined my tabs, man. Stop messing with my tabs. Oh, I messed it up. No. Times 8. Times 8. Bro. What did you do? What do you want? Cannot define inherent impl for a foreign type. Is it like, okay, it's expr impl wide, not const generic. expr. What are you smoking about? Type provided when a constant was expected. Type. Oh, does it want like this? Oh, snap. No. It has to be in the function name. Oh, this sucks. This sucks. Put it back. Oh. What a. Oh, I see. What happened to this one? Oh, it's still complaining about that. Yeah. So now 1 is 8. I should yeah. I think these names are bad. 3232, huh? It should be the absolute width and then the fractional width. But right now it's like integer bits, fractional bits, and you're like they're added together into a 64-bit number in the like type name whatever this is I made up. And then mul 3232 would be a real thing. And it would make sense because you'd be multiplying two 32-bit numbers. I think that's the way forward. I underestimated this a little bit. I was like, oh yeah, I can do this in 3 hours. And I did something else for an hour and a half. Oh yeah, I'll just update it. Oh yeah. Oh, they rewrote the whole library? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm deeply using all the library features. There's complicated math, but what? There's complicated math everywhere. Yeah, what the hell? Okay, so methinks every number here should be replaced with a number that is bigger. 64 times bigger. That would be scary looking, wouldn't it? And then I do a quick little divide by 8. Just like right fast. Oh, actually, I have a constant for that. Okay, so we start with the 15s of the world. What's 15 times 64? I have no idea. What is that, like 400? No. It's like 2,000. 1,984? 1984? Wait. I have no idea. Jose. Help, calculator. Please, I can't multiply numbers. I don't want to do it in my head. 15 times 64. I was thinking of 31 times 64 is 1984. I got it off by a bit. God. How How do glasses get so dirty? Do I look weird without glasses now? I definitely feel weird without glasses. It's like it's not my real vision or something, and I'm like just waiting to put the glasses back on to see again. I have astigmatism, so everything goes like it like stretches. Ah, ah. It has all been restored. Okay. 960. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ooh, yeah. 960. I love this song. Oops. Over. Right. I should probably do that first. Okay, so it is 64 times bigger. So this is now divided by 2 instead of times by 32. What's the constant digit what width? Eyes of the sea. Uh-oh. Mistake. I pressed Control S. I can't think anymore. I hate it when just everything is underlined. Okay. Shh. LHS, RHS. All right. All right. So this, I do believe, is always a divide by 2 instead of a multiply by 32. Whiff. N, yes. Okay. Currently, always. Currently, always. N is the number of U8s to use. Yeah. One F minus one. What am I doing here? Okay. Okay. I believe so. 0, 0. What? So like, look. So, I'm using a macro to generate this because you can't use const generics. Okay. Okay. So then times 64. There's 2 of them. What do we? They just go away. Because that's already what it is. Okay, so now this needs to change. Indeed. Bnum digit width. Indeed, sir. Oof. We'll figure that out later. Okay. When the God, what a mess. 14. Surely I don't have any 14s. Help. Okay, I need a branch here. What am I doing? Create branch bnum 14. Update bnum to 0.14. Okay, so now I can actually see a little bit better. Well, not really. All right, F14. Where is the first 14? How many bnum 14 digits? Okay, second 14. D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D, and that is the last D. 14,896. Okay. 13. I do believe the first one is this guy. Uh-oh. Do we have bnum compat in there already? 13. We've missed these 15, 16. 16 is 1,024. 960. Doink. Doink, 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 doink. Doink, doink, doink. $13. 832. 12. Yeah. Forward. Indeed, sir. 40. Are there any weird ones? 40. No, I think I can safely H it into 768. Boom. Okay, 11. 42. Surely that is good. 704. Let's take a look here. What the hell? Who is messing with my tabs? Put it back. Okay, so far so good. $10. 44. We got a 10 here. Problem. Whole word goes crazy. If I could go even harder and like find all Rust literals that are 10, that'd be fantastic, but I don't think I can. All right, what's 10 times 64? I don't know. Okay, 9. 46. We have more 9s. Surely there's no 9s in math. Nobody would do that. Okay, 9, 584, right? No, I'm dummy. 576. Wow, that was completely wrong. Okay, and the number 8 is going to be harder because I have to dodge a bunch of actual 8s. Oof, like that one. Real. 8 times 64 is 512. Right, before I do 8, 512. Zoink it. Okay. Ah, 0. I see. Times 2, shift right 1. Wait a second. Okay, so well, let's get started. No, man. No. It can't D it. You know what? Maybe the strat here is actually just to H and go to 512, replace all, and then undo everything that sucks. Like this, undo that. That's right, that's right. That was 100% the strat. Okay, 7. 4, 4, 8. Looks good. Oops. Come on, bro. Oh my god, bro. No, man. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Okay, just relax. Okay, 7. Ooh. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Huh? Huh? 497. Huh? 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 What the hell was that? Okay, so wrong. Um, wrong. Oof, okay. Okay, 6. I don't feel like it. Okay, and what have you got? Uh-huh. Looking good. 5 times 64, 256 plus. Okay, this is 64, 320. Looks good. Okay, we should get a few. Oh, there's no false positives. Interesting. Is that right? Okay, wrong, wrong, wrong. wrong. 2. Now that this might actually not be the strat for 2. There's 80 of them. Put it back, 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 put it back. Good, good, good. Put it back. Yeah, it's okay. 1. How many ones were there? 145. Let's see. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. It's interesting to see everywhere that 1 pops up. That's good. Good. Okay. Okay, so now it should think about what it's done here. Cannot transmute between types of different sizes. Okay, so I've got some Scooby-Doobert going on here. $16,256. I see the problem. Damn. Okay. What you want? Expected ding, found dong. Indeed, sir. Every time. Same mistake. Okay, we have another thingy going on. Oh, there it is. Okay. Another problem here. Oh my god. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? No method named 1024. Okay, here's your problem. Okay, well that should be macro madness handled for the most part. Struct with excuse me. Struct. Why am I doing it like that? Fixed. Fixed. Don't we definitely know it? Why would I write struct like that? Maybe I was thinking of doing it some other way and then I didn't. Okay, well, there's a lot of these guys, so okay, so this is width. Where is that? Oof. Hmm. Uh. I'm not sure what's going on here. It says 1024.2. So why is this one big? Widening mall. LHS, RHS. Oh, is this wrong? Yes, okay. Whew. Woo! Okay, so now 1-1 is not real. Okay, so 1-1 is actually 64-64. Arr. So then 1-1, 1-1, 2-1, 128, 64. It's actually meaningful now. 2_2, 4_4. Yay. Oh. How many matches are there? 36. Wrap 64. We shouldn't run into any problems, yeah, because it's 64 times bigger. Go! Wrap 2, 128. Find it. Save. Oh, there's only 2? That's interesting. Wrap 3, 196. wrap 4, 256. I believe there aren't any others. Oops. Minkowski, what are you doing, Minkowski? Minkowski? Oops. So we need more. We need I-96 for real, for real. We'll see. What do you want? What do you want? Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, I should have done that separately. Okay, let me look through it. Yeah, I should have done that separately. Unlucky. It's in the business. Okay. So I also need to find clamp 1. Cool. Clamp 2. Ooh, clamp 3. 4. 256. That should be it. And then narrow is the other one. 64. So these are like functions to convert between different bit widths. And there's 3 different ways that you can do it. You can fallibly attempt to narrow it, and you get a narrowing error. So this function says narrow. So you have wrap, narrow, and clamp. Narrow error. Oh. Narrow error. So, goodness gravy. If you wrap, it just does modulo, and like so it just truncates all the bits that are not relevant, and that's very fast. Well, not when doing it like this, but it could be fast if I wasn't dumb, and I might make it fast later. And then narrow can fail if it's not in the correct range. And then clamp will attempt to narrow it, and if there's an error, it just returns the maximum or minimum value, which is very cool. So I guess narrowing is like the inner method of clamp, but you're allowed to check for errors yourself as well to know what happened during conversion. So it's cool. Indeed clamp. Okay, we were doing, why don't we say clamp? Indeed do it. Narrow 2, 128. Narrow 3, narrow 4. Cool. Cool. Narrow unwrap. Interesting. So I'm making sure it fails loudly. Okay. From is not satisfied. Eh. 8. Oh my god. 8 times 64. Is that 512 or is that 1024? I don't remember. I think I'm going to guess it's 512. Oh yeah, it's 512. Indeed. I made a mistake. Wait, what? Hmm. It's private, isn't it? God damn it. Zero. True. N. Uh. Jeez. Whatever. You know what? It's like that. Oh. One from. Bruh, one from. I. I. Surely. Digit. Huh? Oh. As I-64. Okay, as U-64. Okay, 2 bits digits. Ha ha ha. To bits to bytes, and then um from wait, it's always Lee. Oh. Ah. I see. Let's find from knee bytes. I do believe this is wrong. We should be using Lee because that is the internal representation. Theta knee. Oh, this is knee actually. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Tests. Come on, tests. Okay, so it says 832, 1024. So where is that being defined? I can't find it. This is the only spot. Bruh. Is there like an underscore mul somewhere? Yeah, okay, that doesn't help at all. Ew. Inner method. It's gonna be some freaking idiot thing like this. Why don't I find all the paste bing bongs? Widen, widen. There it is. Method. Fixed mul. Okay, so somebody did it wrong. Width. IZ. Impl. Macro 16. Yeah, okay, I see. So all of these are wrong. There's gotta be a reason for this. Okay, what if I just do this? Boom, boom, boom. And then I just go, yeah, this? No, fixed. Yeah, it just doesn't care. Is there, like, there's no reason. There's no reason. Uh-oh. Ah. Duh. Was I gonna like have like an unsigned one or something? What do you want? Oh, it's this. Macro madness. Okay. Hey, buddy. So width 99999. We need this guy. Brr. Like so. And then there's another one, fixed NF. Actually, those are okay. All right, did we get it? What is it trolling me about now? Okay, it's still the multiply thing. Okay, so no. Fix tests. Fix macros. What do I do? Well, I see. Is there any other guys? No, this is the only one. Okay, so it was right. Gabagoo. Okay. The last problem. Indeed, sir. We can say N1. And that's all good. N. So close, but so far. Widen 2. Why are you trying to widen 2? Didn't I fix everything? Oh, I didn't do any widening. Widen 128. Widen 3? Probably. Widen 192. Widen 4, probably. 256. Widen 5 might exist. 512. Whole word, please. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. widen. Okay. Uh, so, okay, it likes it. It likes it. Now we need to fix this float thing. So okay, so there's a crazy. It's crazy. Oh. So this is from bytes, and then we just oh. What I meant. No, we're good here. We're good. Okay, I need a goddamn loop. Goddamn. God, this is gonna fail so many tests. Wow. But the good part is I brained the macros good, so I can like add 32 to the start of this list, and we can have nice things. Yeah, I can like subdivide even further, and it's like, yippee. I can even add 16-bit. That's so good. Yes. Oh, I can make smaller. This is great. Let's go bnum. Ooh, ah. Sorry, a little bit of dying. So I think I'm signed shift. I think I make signed shift go back to you see I wait, why would that be take bits, anticipate what? Why would it go down? Can't I just like positive only mantissa bits, take bits, possess a bigger part of my number? What? Bit width. This is not. I don't think we need this. I think it's I can do a it's just like modulo shift. And so it'll always be positive. Need a digit loop here. I don't got it in my brain. I don't have it in the head. I'm gonna like write down a plan here. Be like, oh, the plan. Use a shift to align the mantissa to the digits. Shove them in. Shove the mantissa bytes into the digits at the correct location. And we just no mantissa. Unsigned 2 bytes. Oh, this is the other way around into float. Indeed. So it's like, hey. And then this one is the other way around. So copy the digits into the mantissa. Shift the mantissa to be 53 bitties. Instead of more. Yeah. So that's the plan. The float convert plan. We have lots of tests. We don't need to panic. Oh, okay. Well, I need to end it there. Well, I don't need to. But like I have other responsibilities that are coming up soon in 10 minutes. Yeah. And I like to have a little break between. Cool. Well, I'm glad I went for it because I got a lot done. We got new wgpu. Oh, actually, there's one more thing I should do, actually. Moderation service. Did this get updated? It did. XD. Ah, right. This is hidden. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. I'm done. Stream is over. Good job. Lots of work done. Interesting work at the beginning. Tedious work for the rest of the stream. But it unlocks new abilities for the way of doing things. Okay. See you next day, tomorrow, as most people say. Bye.